Hello, you beautiful people. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lucy Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell on because you don't want to miss any of my videos. Again, I feel like I always apologise at the moment, but I'm just not on top of my game when it comes to filming recently. I haven't been very well. I went to London last week and I managed to catch a cold. It wasn't the C word, don't worry. I just caught a cold from the aircon on the train, and I've just been like poorly since. I'm starting to feel a little bit better, and it's now officially like a week since I've been home. So yeah, it's absolutely boiling today, so excuse my little scrape back moment, but let's just get straight into it. So we have one more Looney Tunes video. Today we're going to be testing, if I can sort words out, Sylvester and Tweety's palette. And my last video that I did, we tested Bugs Bunny and Taz's. The one before that we tested the rest of the collection, and then, oh, Blake's back in his motorbike. And then the one before that was a full reveal of the whole collection. So we're going to be doing one on one eye, one on the other. Let's just get straight into it because it is boiling. And I don't want to film for ages tonight because it is too sweaty. So anyways, yeah, popping on some of my P. Louise base. How have you all been? I've had like a little reflection moment and had a little chat with Alex, and I said like in the future when there's a launch like this where there's quite a few like little palettes, I'm gonna do just one video of them all because I feel like I just kind of lose that motivation, and it's so tiring doing like 4 days back to back of uploads. I normally end up like burning myself out. Like I was off purely from work on Tuesday because I was just so drained and just full of snot, which is just lovely. So yeah, I think like for future releases, if there's going to be like little palettes like this, then I will definitely do them all in one video instead. I feel like it'll just make it easier, and then you've only got one video to watch and you get all of the info in that one video. I was just too excited and I wanted to kind of space the videos out, but it just doesn't work for me realistically when I work full time. See, my brain's not even switched on because I should have only put one eye on because I won't be doing the other one for a bit, but whatever. I just want to film because I miss yous. So I'm going to go in with Sylvester's first. This is sexual, like actually beautiful. I'm going to take like a medium size fluffy brush. This is just from the Urban Decay Naked 2 palette, and I'm going to go in with the shade Fume, which is this orange here. I love that this is a very like orange warm toned palette. I also love that it has the little mirror in it as well. So I'm going to start by kind of putting that in the crease but also blending at the same time. Please let me know, would you have preferred if I actually just did a video reviewing all of these in one, instead of doing like 2 separate videos and doing a video per 2 palettes? Like, would you just prefer for me to just do it all in one go? Because obviously I want to do what's best for like me mentally and stuff, but I also want to make sure that it's what you want to see. That is so nicely pigmented, so I'm just going to leave it as that for now, and then I'm going to go in with another fluffy brush. This is just a Revolution one from a Christmas gift set, just looks like this. And we're going to go in with the shade Pride, which is this lighter shade, and I'm going to use that to blend out the edges of that one. It's actually a really nice shade to have in the palette to blend out. I do feel like the colour choice in this palette is so nice. And then taking a Lily England 101 brush, which just looks like this, I'm going to go in with the shade Sylvester, which is like this. It is like a red colour, but it has like a very like orangey undertone to it. And I'm going to take that, and I'm actually doing this video, I'm going to pack it on first and then blend. And this is going to go like really tightly in that crease. This could generally be the quickest that I've ever blended an eyeshadow look before because it just blends like an absolute dream. Like it was just went on and it was done. Okay, come through. So I want to go in, I think out of all the shimmers, with this one, which is the more bright one from them all. And yeah, I'm going to pop this on, oh my god, the lid. And then taking a Morphe M514 brush, I'm going to go in with, I'm just going to go in with the darker one, which is the shade Eat. And I'm going to kind of blend apply this. I'm going to pack it on. Oh my god. And then a blend. It's so pigmented. Wow. Wow. Oh my god, that's stunning. Right, I'm going to go back in with the red brush. Actually, I'm going to take a little bit of the red and go back in with the red brush and just blend that through. And then this is what it's looking like. Absolutely stunning. Love it. Obsessed. So pigmented, so easy to blend, like so easy to blend. Yeah, well and truly impressed by that. Let's move on to Tweety's palette, and this one is bright, a bit more pink, just have some neutrals in it as well, but it's a bit more like a little pop of pinky in it. So of course, let's go in with the pink colours. So I'm going to start with a Morphe M573 brush, which looks like this, and I'm going to go in with the shade Sweet, which is the hot pink in the palette, and I'm going to take this right in the crease and kind of blend it whilst I'm also packing it on. So this is what it's looking like so far. I'm going to take like a larger fluffy brush. This is a W7 one, and I'm going to go in with the shade Granny. It has like a you can see that it's got like a tiny bit of shimmer in, but once you blend it out, it isn't really there. So for these kind of shades, I just count them as mattes now, because I would never use them as shimmers, and I would use them as a matte, and they don't look shimmery. So yeah, I just count them as a matte. So I'm going to go in with this to blend out the darker pink, the more vibrant pink. And I'm actually going to go in with the shade Bird, which is the yellow one, and see if that works together. I've tried it on my hand and I'm not really sure, so I'm just going to put it in my eye and see what happens, because we can just learn together, can't we? So I'm going to try and blend it out together. Okay, not too bad. You know what? That's actually like gone really well. Quite surprised. Just wasn't sure whether they would blend, them kind of colours would blend well together, but they actually do. I'm just going to go back in with the pink and just blend it all together. And then similar to how I did the other eye by adding like a little bit of depth in the outer corner, I'm going to do the same, and I'm going to go in with the shade Nest, which is this brown here, and I'm just going to take a like an angled brush like this, again from Revolution Christmas gift set. If you buy any like gift sets this year, make sure you keep the brushes, because they are so handy, whether it's Revolution, another brand. I keep them all, I love them. And then I'm just packing this in the outer corner. I'm just going to pop a little bit on to begin with, because then I'm going to go in with a shimmer. So there's 3 shimmers in here, the rest are all mattes. And ooh, if you'd like to focus, thank you. The middle one is like a kind of foily gold. Then we have like a more of like a warmer, less foily gold. And then we have like an inner corner beautiful one. I'm going to go in with this one, because why not? Every time I put gold eyeshadow on now, I think of you, Beth. Every single time, whether I'm filming, whether I'm just putting gold eyeshadow on in my own time, I just think of Beth, because she just knows that it's me. It's just a bit of me. But how stunning is that? There was no way I was resisting it. So, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, as always, I get it all over. But that is stunning. It's like so soft in the pan. Like really, really soft. And then I'm just going back in with that deeper outer corner shade to blend that through. Then I'm going to go in with the pink to blend it back through that crease where I've just put the shimmer just maybe a touch bit too high, just to blend it all out. And then going back in with the bigger W7 brush and blending. God, there's loads of noise outside today. I don't know if you can hear that, but blending that all out together, because I definitely put that shimmer too high, because I just got way too excited with it. I kind of ruined it a little bit by putting that shimmer so high, but let's just try and ignore that I did that because it's still absolutely stunning. Like, I'm still obsessed with it. Let's pop on this inner corner highlights. I'm going to go in with the shade Sing, which is this one here. I'm just taking a e.l.f. eye crease brush that I bought like 10 years ago. I'm just going to pop that, oh, wrong eye, pop that in the inner corner. Can anyone remember years and years and years ago when e.l.f. used to do like 50% off sales, or you'd get like lipsticks and stuff like 75p? Like everything used to be like £1.50 back in the day. Crazy. crazy times. His isn't really like a lighter one in his palette, so I'm going to use the one out of his palette instead and pop that just in the inner corner. It's a really pretty shade. I'm also going to use it just underneath my brows. I also get like this part when it comes to my makeup. I'm so bad. So let me finish off the rest of my face and I will show you the finished look. So this is the finished look. What do you think? I'm honestly obsessed with both of these looks, but I do feel like they look like very similar. I sent a picture to my patrons and they thought I had like the same eye on, and then I sent them a video and I was like, look, I've actually got like the two different palettes on, but I think because of how I've done them, they do look really, really similar. But I'm actually obsessed. I think they are so beautiful. I just realised I forgot to use the lip oil, but hey ho. Oh, sorry, I've got an itchy boob, one sec. Itchy booby. But I would love to know down below which one is your favourite, or can you not pick? Do you like both like me? I think they're both stunning, absolutely stunning. I think out of all of them, Bugs Bunny would be the one that I would probably use the least, but the other three, I think it'd probably be like Sylvester and Taz that I'd use the most. Then it would be Tweety's palette, and then obviously Bugs' palette. If you want to know what I've got on my lips, by the way, because it's a very strange combination. So it's the Doll Beauty Spice Up Your Life lip liner with the Doll Beauty Sailor V lipstick. And then for gloss, I've put on the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Fortune Cookies. Just like this. And that's just what it looks like. I just didn't want something like too overpowering for the eyes, but yeah, really happy with how it's turned out. Please don't forget to let me know what you think down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hopefully will see you on Monday for a brand new video. Love you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.